Do you ever wish you could make a tight doorway wider for something like a walker without calling a contractor? We had this exact same problem after my mom's surgery, and we couldn't believe how easy the fix actually was. So in this video, I'll show you a simple, safe hinge upgrade that instantly adds inches to your doorway without having to call a contractor. So let's dive in. If you only need 2 more inches for your wheelchair or walker to clear the door frame, then these can be easily installed, swings clear, and offsets the hinges instead of tearing up your current door frame. You want to measure your current hinge on the door just to make sure you get the same size. Most standard interior door hinges are 3.5 inches in the US with a 5/8 inch radius rounded edge. Some hinges have a square edge, so be mindful of that. It's really just important to get the same size since the hinge shape is cut into the edge of the door, and if your new hinges are a different size or a different shape, then you're going to have to cut that out of the difference, and then that's going to require a chisel and a hammer and a lot more patience. But once you have your new hinges, then we can install them. The first thing you want to do is you want to unscrew the old hinges. So you're going to have to take off your door, and you want to start with the middle hinge, then go ahead and do the top hinge and then the bottom. It's just easier this way. Having a person hold the door during this process definitely makes this easier. Next, you can install the new hinges. You want to go ahead and do it on the door first, and you want to verify several times which direction the hinge opens before installing. Ask me why I'm saying this. If you install it incorrectly, then you're not going to have the door open and shut the way it should. So just double check before you go to the next step. The hinges should fit exactly into the cutout shape of the old hinge. That is a good indicator that things are looking good. The holes in the door and door frame should also line up even with the new hinges. And then all 3 hinges on the door should be installed before we move to the next step. Once we've done this, we're ready to install the new hinges that are on the door onto the door frame. You can use a wedge underneath the door to lift the height needed, or you can have a person help you out as well. But having a wedge is really helpful. Now with the door in place, go ahead and put the new hinges against the door frame. Make sure that it's fitting into the cutout area, and then start with the top and go ahead and work your way down. The new hinge comes with 1 long screw per hinge. You want to install the long screw into the door frame in each hinge. This will help keep the hinges secure and the door from sagging over time. And then you can just test the door just to make sure everything looks good. Now, are you also needing help with a new tub walk-in without doing a complete reconstruction of your house? Watch this next video as we walk you through step-by-step on how to create a step-in shower with your existing bathtub. And thanks for watching.